Is he going for it? Nope, checking out. He'll go for it. Yeah. There's Jordan. Is he going to go for it? Yes? Nope.
Not with a pogo stick.
Those guys going through the trees down there. It's pretty tight, eh?
I didn't. That's why my bike's so dirty. I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Why did you go around the top part, dummy?
He's got some tree attached to him.
Yeah.
There we go. This is his favorite jump now.
Yeah, it is. It's great.
It's like a nice, easy one. You don't have to be really scared about it. He's not doing it.
Yeah.
Nice. You flew farther.
Yeah.
Trying to wave him down, but he's not paying attention.
Oh, it goes down here too?
Yeah. You go down the fucking culvert and you come back up this way.
See what I did over there?
What did you do?
Flipped over? I came off, we all started off down there, came past you, and you go down here and you go down a bit of a hill, and there's like a gap, and it doesn't look that bad, but it's like the right angle where it's on.
Oh!
I bounced up, my feet came off, everything was off. My feet just like landed like this, and just held on for the ride.
Woohoo! Like that, you come up and went right, I come up and I went left.